just how will SQL react when it encounters an error? Well, let's use an example. Let's say we're executing a stored procedure called user stored procedure A that sits on the server. Now, the job of this stored procedure is just to call two other stored procedures, user stored procedure B and user stored procedure C. And user stored procedure B has 3 statements inside of it. Once it's done, it's going to call user stored procedure C. Now, the question is, if we encounter an error in statement number 2 of user stored procedure B, should it go on to statement 3? Or should the entire user stored procedure B fail? And if it fails, should user stored procedure A, once it gets a failure back from B, continue to call C? Or should it say, we're going to cancel the whole thing? Well, the fact of the matter is, it depends on the type of error. For example, if statement 2 does fail, there are situations where it will go on to statement 3 and succeed, and user stored procedure B will return a success. That reaction is known as a statement termination. In another situation, it might cause the entire stored procedure B to fail, but user stored procedure A will still continue on and call C to do its work. That's known as scope abortion. Another situation would be known as batch abortion. In batch abortion, the entire call from the client no longer works. That would cause user stored procedure A to completely fail and not continue on at all.